Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are back on the extension down in southwest London and I am picking up materials. So first thing today is I've got to replace these lintels I had, which are too short now, so we've changed the design a little bit. Also I need to replace this, bring this padstone back. So I'm going to do a little bit of shopping. I'm going to show you a couple of the products that I'm going to be buying and answer a couple of questions as well. Show you a couple of different types of blocks we're using as well while I'm at the yard. So let's get in and have a look. So these are our parts that we are replacing. There's the padstone that I'm taking back. We don't need any more. And these are the 900 lintels that I'm also going to be taking back. So these are basically 900 millimeters wide, which is about 3 foot. They are 100 mil wide, which is the same width of a block. And they are 140 mil in height. So pretty much the same height and depth as the padstone, just longer. So let's bring those in and I'll show you guys what I'm going to be taking instead. So these are the wall straps that I'll be using to screw the wall plate to the walls. I'm using the 1 meter lengths and we'll use 4 of these either side of the house. Just going to find them amongst this jumbled up stuff. Looks like I managed to get 8 of them, which is what I need. So we're good to go. So we got some screws and wall plugs. This is what we'll be using to fix them to the walls and to the wall plates. So there's our 2x4s that we're going to be using for wall plates, treated 2x4s. I think we're looking for about 4.2 meter lengths. What we got here? 3.6. So we need a larger one than that. Probably all the way up there somewhere. Alright, so we found our timber. Managed to get some 4.8 meters. Next up is a couple of these blocks. So these are the concrete blocks that we're using. Someone was asking about the blocks, different types. This is a concrete block, very hard, very heavy. Sort of a two-hand job, this one. And the other blocks I will show you in a second, which are the ones that are in here called Thermalite. That's the brand, but they're basically a lightweight sort of thermal insulation block. A lot easier to work with. You can cut it with a saw. These you can't cut it with a saw. You need to either use an angle grinder and chisel, or if you've got one of those block cutter things, which we don't have. So usually more hard work to work with. So these are the Thermalite blocks I was telling you about. So these are the lightweight blocks, as you can see. A lot lighter, easier to carry. You can see sort of aerated blocks, I think that's what they're called. So you can see there's sort of little holes and air sort of can get in it. I think that helps with the insulation properties. But as you can see, a lot softer block than the concrete one. Next up, we got our concrete lintels. So we are looking for 100 by 140 by 1050. 1050 by 140 by 100. And sod's law, they probably haven't got any. I think I can see one at the back there. And I think that might be it. So if not, I'm going to have to pop off somewhere else. I just remembered and just realized that actually we only need one of these for the inner leaf where the padstone is. The outer leaf of the window, we can use the 900. So actually I can use the 900 for the outer leaf, and I can use the slightly longer one for the inner leaf. The padstone only covers the inner leaf. So actually I can manage to work with what I've got here. So I'll take one of each of these and that should do the job. That's it guys, shopping cart is done. So let's get out of here and meet the guys on the other side.
Hi guys, so we're back on site. Well, I'm back on site. As you can see, Mr. A is already making a start. He's going to lay those last 5 bricks down the end there. And then that'll be the end of our block laying for now. So what we've got to do, here's our 2 lintels, our inner and outer lintel. One's longer than the other. The shorter one will go on the outside here, and the longer 1050 will be placed on the inner leaf. So it will basically go all the way from the right hand corner across to the left. Then we've also got these two larger lintels, the 2100s, and they're going to go across the door opening here. Then we're going to use our wall plates. Wall plate's going to go one along this wall and one along this wall here. So then once that's done, we can put our straps on. So we're going to start about 500mm from the corners, and it'll take 4 on either side, and we space them about 1 meter from each other. So yeah, let's make a start. All right, young Josh's first lesson on circular saw. Remember, that's it. Yeah, spin your blade and drop it down slowly. Well done. Job done. Your edge fine?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Cool. Just give me the troll, please, and my spirit level.
there. Where's the hammers there? Did you see the hammer? Yeah?
Yes. No what you would do, you're taking them.
Alright guys, so we are done for the day. Let's see what we did today. Wasn't as much that we could do today, but important bits, and yeah, we're all done, so let's have a look. So firstly, we've got these two lintels on the window. We also got the doorway ones in as well. The other thing we got done is we've got our wall plates fitted at level, and also we put on our straps as well, which you can see that we've done every meter, and we've also done this side as well. So this is the lower side of the wall of the house, and this is the higher side. So again, that's our pad stone, and that's our essentially second pad stone there for our steel. So yeah, once the steel gets in, we can just rest the steel on top, and then we start running our rafters down to our wall plates. So yeah, the house is really taking shape. Really starting to feel the size of it. She's a decent size. Again, we need to do the concrete here as well. But yeah, we're just waiting for the steel, and then we'll be back onto the roof. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. Hope you learned something. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.